Guys, we're at Roundstone Camping Resort. Awesome place to be if you want to be secluded. So here's a sign when we're coming in. We're at the Waterfall cabin, but they also have Buckhorn cabin, Outback cabin, and then they have tent sites 1 to 6. So it's very secluded. They own lots of acres here. The airport area is that way. There's a hiking trail that'll take you right to the airport. I heard it's really nice. We're going to go up this way, up that road, and look for our cabin. So, yeah, we're almost there. We're like an hour early. I don't know if they'll let us check in early enough. And Princess is super excited, right, Princess? Okay. Let's move on. Driving towards the Waterfall cabin, I decided to stop here. Show you this pretty little pond, I guess. Catch and release. I guess you fish here. Oh, good morning. Oh, they must have a campsite down there. Huh. Yes, there's a tent site down that way. So there you go. It's really pretty here. See what's on this side. There's the stream. Yeah, Princess is gonna have a good time. I gotta go find a bathroom. Okay, here we are at the Waterfall cabin. Vince already crossed the bridge with Princess. There's our job Johnny there. Over there is the Buckhorn cabin. And over here is our cabin. So, I guess the dog didn't mind being in on the drawbridge because she went across it pretty fast. See how it it's very bouncy. Vince has to go back and forth with stuff from where our vehicle is across this bridge. Very nice. So there you go. There we go. Very pretty here. It's gorgeous. Very nice. So we have a lot of space over here. Nice little spot here. If me and Vince wants to come down this way, we can with the puppy. Over here. How do you like it?
I like the shower.
Oh, is it nice? Do you like the shower? How do you like it, Princess? Got steps here. Let's check over. Oh, it's beautiful here. Yes, it's gorgeous. There we go. Look at this, guys. Wow. I think Princess is going to like this. Yeah, she's going to love this, honey. Beautiful. Look how pretty. This is where we're at, right here. There's Vince and a dog checking it out. Gorgeous. There's our cabin over there. It is my dog. This is like a dream come true vacation for our dog. She is going to love this place. What's wrong? Why are you running? The dog's running. You like it here? So over here, hi Princess.
Wants to go in the water.
Hang in, I gotta wait for the. Oh, there's there. So there, over there is the shower. Do not drink water. How do you get into the shower, honey?
Open it up.
Where's the door to open it up at?
Here.
What's it look like in there? Oh, look, our little homemade shower, outside shower. That's different.
You have to wait 15 to 20 minutes before going in.
Why?
There's a whole bunch of instructions on it.
How to use the shower?
Here, why don't you videotape them? Here.
I'll take a picture of it then. There's a string here to keep us safe in the water. There's steps that go up that way.
Where did those stairs go to?
I don't know. Here's our cabin.
The little house at the top of the hill.
This cabin is really cool. Inside the cabin looks like. It's got a fan, a little window. What do you think, Princess? Oh, look, a little coffee maker. Didn't know we had one of them. A little counter, microwave, mini fridge, electric heater. 2 bunk bed things. Will probably sleep on the bottom. What? Oh, Princess knows how to open up the door. Here's a little table. What's the? Oh, look, there's even a ceiling fan. That's pretty cool. It's a nice cabin. You want to start bringing stuff in? Puppy, look at the waterfall. Check it out. You got your own water right by the cabin. Where you going? Princess. What we got here, huh? What you got here, Princess? You got your own body of water over here. Oh, she likes it here. Be careful. You come back to mommy. Oh, look at you, Princess. Check the waterfowl out, guys. Ooh, right, Princess? Notice by our cabin we have steps. So I'm going to walk up those steps and see what's on top of that mountain. Okay, there's where we are, and I'm going to start going up these steps. See what's up here. Very curious. Let's see. There's our roof. Maybe it's a shortcut to get somewhere, maybe. Let's see. Whew. Just went through a cobweb, so I can tell not a lot of people go up this trail. Huh. There's some type of water source. Oh wow. This is cool. Yeah, this is different. Wow. Going up this way, see what we can find. Going on our first hike today. Vincent Princess is going to catch up later. Look at this. You can see some of our campsite from up on the mountain. That's where we are located, down there. Okay, let's go do some hiking. Maybe I'll find an animal. This is the Little Pine Trail. We got the Airport Trail. We got the Meadowview Trail. We have so many different trails to take out here in the mountain. Isn't this beautiful, honey? Oh, it's beautiful. My dog has to pee a lot. Oh, look how beautiful this place is. It's beautiful out here. Huh. A Little Pine Trail. There's another campsite back there where you can pitch a tent. So they do have a couple tent sites. There's one of them if you want to camp over there. The princess is walking daddy. Right now we go up this way. See what else we can find. Port property, no trespassing, guys. So over here there's an airplane inside there. You see it? That's pretty cool. They own their own airplane. Wow. This way. Let's see what this takes us. We're always curious where these trails goes. Hey, honey. Because you never know where you're going to end up at. Me and Vince have a feeling that we're actually might get hit by a plane or something. This is a private airport. So we're going to like turn around and get off this thing because as you can see, there's like plane flag for wind in that, and I don't know, it's just flat land, and I just don't want to get run over by a plane. We don't know how this airport works. Well, if it is, we just might be in a way. So yeah, I think we're going to get off of this thing and head back to our cabin. I don't even know if we're even allowed to be here or not. So yeah, let's turn around, Vince. What do you think?
Yep.
Alrighty. On this trail, we found another campsite. Or is it a cabin? I'll go till we get closer and see. Towards the end here, wonder what this cabin's called. There's nobody staying here. So these trails take you to different places. As you can see, they have job Johnnies throughout. Close to each
This
cabin.
is probably the one me and you were going to stay at.
No, Buckhorn's right next to the Waterfall
Oh, you're going
one.
to stay at Buckhorn.
This one is like called the Streamside cabin. There's one. There might be someone staying here, so it's hard to tell. I don't know.
I don't see it either.
No, but that is a nice cabin. That's nice. Each cabin is unique. And look, they have their own bridge. I don't know where they park. Where would they park their vehicle? That's not a car bridge, is it? I wouldn't trust my car going over this. Oh, heck no. I would not cross the bridge with this with my vehicle. It's even scary to walk on. Yeah, I think this is a walking bridge. Or do you cross this with your car? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that's just a walking bridge. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Look at the stream, honey. It's gorgeous. Did you see it? Yeah, where would you park your vehicle for this cabin? Maybe like on the side of the road here? I'm thinking, oh, right here is where you park your car, honey. I think over here somewhere. Now, if I would have brought my car on this road, I'd probably park it right there. That's a good parking spot for a vehicle. Right, honey? Yeah, and then what you do is like what we have to do at the Waterfall cabin. You just have to walk across the bridge. That's how that works. Okay. Yeah, it is safe to walk across. You can definitely walk across it. It's pretty safe. So this resort, I like it. I think we're going to be coming here a lot. I met one of the owners that was at the cabin because we got here a little early, and she seems really nice. She's a nice lady. Yeah. And the cabin was super clean. They did a good job cleaning that cabin. It was nice and clean. There was no garbage laying around in the woods. I hate going to a campsite and you'll see garbage laying around. That irritates me. I'm like, pick up after yourself. Well, this resort is really clean. I don't see any garbage laying around. So I like that. They keep this place really nice. Very beautiful here. It's peaceful. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife while we're walking. and just enjoy ourselves with our dog. I think we might come a lot because my dog really loves it here.
Oh,
She's 10 years old, and I want to make sure she has a good life. So taking her to places like this with no stress is wonderful for her. So she's worth every penny. Would you like to come here again, Princess? She seems happy, ain't Vince? She likes it here. Yeah, and always keep your dog leashed. Very important. We keep her leashed. Now, sometimes we'll let go of the leash for her to get in the water and that, but we always have a leash on her. Don't ever want to lose her, because she'd be a type of dog to chase a squirrel and then she'd get lost. Right, honey?
yeah.
We don't want to lose our dog. Guys, we found a chippy. You see him? Little chippy's hungry. There he is. I got bugs on my head. There we go. There's Chippy. He's cute. The cabin we just passed is called the Outback Cabin. And then tent number 7 site is down that way too. That's what we just passed. So now we're going this way. And there's tent number 6 over there. And which way should we go, honey?
I'm guessing
That way?
that way will lead back to the cabin.
Which way will lead back? This
I'm
way?
guessing.
Yeah, so I guess we'll head down that way. That way will probably take us, this way here will probably take us to the other end of the airport. You would think, right, if we go that way?
Yeah.
So we should go this way towards the cabin. What do you think? What do you think, Princess? Should we go that way? Yeah, we'll leave it up to the dog. She started walking this way. All right, is this the way you want to go, Princess? You're in charge. This is your vacation.
Oh.
Is this where you want to go? You lead the way, puppy. The Hemlock campsite, because it says tent. So I guess that's where you park, and then you go down in here and you can camp out in there if you have a tent. So there's another campsite. I like it that every so often you find a job, Johnny. I love that. You don't have to dig a hole out in the woods to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, buddy.
So the job, Johnny's definitely come in handy. I don't have to bring my porta potty with me. Very nice. Yeah, I definitely want to come back here again. Can't believe there's not a lot of reviews of this place on YouTube. I guess it's a good thing because we don't want too many people to find out about this place. Because that's what I like about it. It's quiet. I feel like we have the whole place to ourselves. One of the pluses about coming on a weekday. Campsite. Do not, something on the sign, harm or damage our trees. Yeah. We bought firewood off of them, so if you need firewood, they'll bring it to your site for you. So yeah, you don't cut down their trees. So people deserve to be fined if they're going to take their trees down. All right, here we go.
Here's the battling brook. I just saw.
As close as I can get. There they go, guys. 2 deer. Thank you for being good, Princess. She didn't bark at him. Good girl.
She's looking at
I
him.
think she wants him, though. Yeah, down there is tent 3, you see. Where you can camp. So it's a lot of tent camping down here. And they're pretty good spaced out. Is this tent number 2, honey?
I'm guessing.
There's another tent site for you. It's close to our cabin.
There's a sign right there.
And there's another cabin, the Outback one. We'll show you that one. Buckhorn cabin. We were supposed to stay here, but they had a cancellation, and that's how we got the Waterfall cabin. But this is the Buckhorn one, so we got the better cabin, I think, for our dog anyways. But I mean, all these cabins are beautiful, but for having Princess, I think we got the best cabin for her. And our cabin is over down that drawbridge then. So we went around a whole circle, Princess. We did a loop. We walked the whole loop of this place. So what do you think, honey?
Yeah.
There's my
Nice.
Jeep. There's the wheelbarrow they lend you to carry your stuff over the bridge. And this is all ours. Across the bridge and we're at our cabin. All right, let's go, princess. I guess you can let her go. Go ahead. There's nobody else here but us. Go ahead, princess. Whoa. Hang in there. Sorry it shakes. Can't help that. We got a very movie bridge here, guys. It's a movie bridge. It's a nice place. Hang on. Not bad. Princess likes it here. She's so happy. Once we come around, you just stay by her the whole time. Don't give her too much leeway. I don't want nothing to happen to her. Where are you taking us, princess? Where you want to go? Where you want to go, puppy? Back in the water? Yes. Maybe mommy will go in the water. I don't know. Does the water look clean? Clean to swim. Let's see how clean it looks over here. I don't want to go in if it's, you know. So let's see. I don't know. I might go in. Should have brought my floaty. But then what happened? I'd take a nap and go down the waterfall. Hey, buddy. Yeah, she's not allowed in the cabin for a long time.
I know.
Yeah, you're going to be outside almost all night, princess, playing in that crap. Just saying. Oh, princess. Vince.
Hello. We are enjoying the rain and a nice fire.
Yeah, even Princess is under the porch with
Look
us
at
in her
the-
dog bed.
Look at the good job Teresa did. She protected us.
He had to keep her under the porch. And we got the fire hot enough that we could still sit under the porch and watch our fire. Pretty cool, huh, honey?
Princess already wanted to go in the cabin for the night.
Yeah, we're not ready yet. So we're going to wait a little bit and then we're going to go in and play Monopoly. Maybe if it stops raining soon, we could do a little bit of cornhole or wait until morning to do cornhole. Yeah.
We're going to practice for the tournament in 2025.
Yeah.
We have 2 years.
Yeah. Hey, this is what it looks like at our cabin at night, guys. Princess is on her
this is
cot,
a doggy on her bed.
cabin,
Hi, Princess.
and our fire. So it's like middle of nighttime, and we're sitting at the fire at night, soon going to bed. You can't even see the water anymore. It's dark. Now there are lights around the cabin. We turn them off because they cause bugs. So we don't want to leave those light bulbs on. But we have lanterns around and there are little spotlights over there. So who knows? I like that they have the ropes here so we don't fall in the water. Because, you know, we might be walk sleeping and go whoosh and fall right in the water. We got in the cabin after we heard a big splash in the river. We don't know what animal took a big splash. Too dark to find out. But the dog decided to sleep in the bed. She's out for the count. Right on top of my sleeping bag, too. Silly dog. Anyways, me and Honey's going to play Dogopoly. We brought Dogopoly because we brought Princess.
Yeah.
So now we're going to play Dogopoly and Scooby-Doo Clue, see? It's dog themed tonight. So, since we have our dog, we're going to do dog games. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Boy, she's tired.
She's enjoying it.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are having eggs, sausage, and toast with Princess. Right, Vince?
Yeah.
Beautiful morning. Look how beautiful it is out here. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful. There she is.
She's very smart.
You better go get her, Vince.
Come on, go together.
You let her go. This is our last morning. We're checking out today. So we made oatmeal. I made it really easy. I just percolated hot water and it was enough for our coffee, hot cocoa, and oatmeal. So did everything in the cabin today. The dog is tired out. She's not ready to get out of bed yet.
Oh, you're tired, Mr.
She's
Wolf.
so tired. Yep, she's a good dog. But now we're cleaning up, getting ready to go home and coming back in October. Yeah, we're coming back in the same cabin in October. We like it here. So we'll come here once in a while to relax with the dog. But this time I think instead of using sleeping bags, I'm just going to bring bed sheets and comforters. Because my sleeping bags are slippery and my pillows kept falling onto the floor.
And we had to share the bed with Wolf Wolf.
Yeah, we didn't need sleeping bags. I should have brought bed sheets. It would have been so much better. So bed sheets next time with comforters and bring our dog because she's awesome.
And a couple blankets because it's going to be cold in October.
Yeah, they do have electric heaters here. We didn't need them in the summer, but if it does get cold, they have that electric heater, and then they have this one over here. So, yeah, it'll be nice and toasty even in the winter. Because we're allowed to rent this in the winter time too if we wanted to. I like to come here in the winter just to see what it looks like with the snow and that. So we might come back in the winter.
No snow.
What about you, Princess? Would you come in the winter too? I think she'd like it in the winter. Yeah. So now we're going to pack up. A slow process, but we're going to get it done. Okay, guys, so we're all done. We packed up, got everything in the vehicle. So we're saying goodbye to our awesome waterfall cabin. Vince and the dog are in the Jeep. So we're going to head home now, and we hope you enjoy our video. Please subscribe and like. And you're welcome to comment. Helps us out a lot. Say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Did you have a good time, Princess? It looks like you had a good time. Look at that big smile on your face. We'll come back in October, okay? You gonna come back in October? Yeah.